Manage quality settings.
No, it's fine. Don't worry about that.
Here.
We get that error all the time. There you go.
Always.
Oh, my.
Get your blower.
I can't. It's over there. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. Mine is like a shot.
She told me to be obnoxious. Mine looks really good.
Sounds like a duck.
Yeah, try
a new one. Duck. Yeah. Grab the computer. You can see what they're saying. They're having fun.
Everyone.
Happy New Year. From Bits and Pieces.
Oh, Patricia, thank you. We love you too.
We love all our customers. Happy New Year. We are ringing in 2025 early because is it midnight anywhere yet?
It doesn't really.
It could be in some country. It could already be 2025.
Okay.
I don't know.
Who we got?
We're guessing.
Oh, we have Pat Vesno, Patricia Hale, Cheryl Lemontaine, Sherry. Anna Turner, Patricia Hale, we got Beth Lanikin, Jean Brissett. Hey, Norm.
Hey, Norm.
Hey, Norm.
Oh, you didn't have to put your hats on.
I know. Well, it was too long for my We got, hi, Betty. We got Jill.
Sabrina has got champagne for us. Prosecco.
I thought those were personal bottles.
Give me another one. Personal bottle.
Keep going.
Here we go.
I'm not going to give everybody a lot. I'm just going to give you a little bit.
They're driving. We don't want them drunk driving. Right?
I think we'd be hard pressed to beat. Never mind.
We want to ring in the new year with you. So we're going to give you a minute to go get your glass of champagne.
There we go. That's
right.
Good. Thank you.
That's good.
And don't open that other one because
don't open that.
Marina thought it was okay to shake the bottle. Yeah. So we'll hold on to that one for a while.
So if you're watching
somebody's eye out
at midnight tonight, Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
From Bits and Pieces.
Cheers.
Cheers. And then cheers to all of you.
Happy New Year, everyone.
Bring in your glass.
Oh, that's not good.
Okay, Karina.
All right. We
got
all kinds of. What do we got?
It's pear cider.
She gave it out of the box. It's not really alcohol. No. It's pear cider.
It's pear. It's like juice. It's very
sweet.
It's Prosecco. We'll have Prosecco next week.
Later.
Yeah, later.
We do our
Christmas party. Anywho, so we have some stuff for y'all. So we thought we'd kind of ring in the new year with some deep discounts and some fun stuff. So I guess we should get rolling
from there.
We're gonna do it right. We're gonna sit on our behinds and just hang out.
Yeah, we're gonna hang out.
We're gonna show you a couple things, just a quickie, and some deep savings. So these are things you want to kind of
limited quantities. Check out.
Absolutely, we gotta pivot to this quilt behind me.
All right, Karina, you gotta scooch in a little bit now.
Scooch in.
We'll have to scooch this way. Here we go. Here, we can just do that. There we go.
I like the Times Square balls, though. You should throw them up in the air.
I tried, but they were. It wasn't going to be pretty.
This is not a perfect live, and I always tell anybody it doesn't matter. Ronnie Tucker, Happy New Year. Beth Selby, Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Drink it up.
So
I don't like champagne. That's not really champagne,
no,
Della.
It's not even close.
That is juice. Pear juice.
It's pear cider.
That's pear cider. Yep.
It's not good.
Mm-hmm.
It's okay.
It's probably better when it's cold.
Oh, Ann Gallo would like to know, when does the first 180 quilt class start?
No, I'm going to save it because I'm going to give it to the girls.
Oh, they'll love that.
I don't know. But
I don't know. We'll have to get back to you, Ann, on that.
The information on it.
Yeah. We will email you, Ann, when it starts. It should be there when you signed up for it, but we'll get you all that information. Okay, let's roll. We got 9 things to show you, then we're all going home.
Happy New Year, guys.
Happy New Year. Bye, Nicole. Bye, Colleen.
Bye.
We'll see you.
Yes, we are open tomorrow, 10 to 4.
You don't have to wait for me.
Yeah.
Okay, Anna, we're gonna have you call us. Maybe call me tomorrow, and we'll help you figure out why you can't buy.
Help you.
How's
help
that?
Me.
Call me. We're open 10 to 4 tomorrow. So call me and tell me what's going on. We'll help you out. Okay. All right. Go for it,
So,
Kristen.
first thing on the list is this beautiful decoupage kaleidoscope quilt kit. This is gorgeous. This is in the beginnings, and this is regular price of like holy moly, like $148.99. Look at what it costs today.
What is it?
$79.99.
Oh, wow.
This is a big quilt. This is, I don't know how big it is because we don't have one in front of us, but
Wow.
super limited quantities on those. So if you want one, grab it fast. This is beautiful. This is so pretty. Everyone that saw this hanging in the shop was always oohing over it. But we got a couple left. We got to get them gone for the new year. You know, new year, new stuff. So out with the old, in with the new.
Yep.
So there we go. Item 100 is the decoupage kaleidoscope kit for $79.99. Get them while they're hot. All right. Next up, we have. Oh, so
I'm moving your drink.
Oh, okay, gotcha. I'm going this way. All right. So Sold 101 is a 2-yard Cuddle cut of hide graphite. So this is 2 yards, 72 by 60 wide graphite. So this is regular price. This wasn't even like the real regular price because they're like $54.99 regular price. This one's marked 52, so it must be old. $32.99 today. So if you need a throw size quilt, you can use this on the backing, or you get another piece and it goes on the front. Or you could cut this up and make a whole. You could make 6 infinity scarves with 2 yards of fabric. So that's what this is. 2-yard cut. It is Wild Rabbit Silver.
Oh, is that pretty?
It's really pretty. It's kind of got that like depth of like it's grays and the darkness and then the lighters. So I'm not going to open it because I open everything and then have to keep it all shut.
Yeah.
So.
We got a big truckload of new Shannon stuff coming in.
We do. So
hopefully it doesn't come when it's raining.
If you ever seen that truck when it comes with the pallets and we're outside freezing our butts off.
That does say $29.99 for the Cuddle, marked down from $46.99.
I thought it said 29.
It said 32. Oh, I guess we lied. It's
I guess we lied. Somebody, did a bad day with that.
Buy them up. Apparently, the price lies on the product. So, Sold 101 gets you the hide graphite.
Didn't mark down.
It's not the right color. This says Wild Rabbit Silver. So whatever it is, it's pretty, and it's $29.99. So get them while they're hot.
All right, you need the next one.
Next one. You know what? I lied. I showed you the wrong one. This is the graphite. Still $29.99. The other one's coming up.
Wait a minute. So you got that one? That's the correct one, right?
This is the graphite.
Okay.
So now we have to make them all $29.99.
We can't because they're all different prices.
Oh, all right.
And then I got to change them all. So then we're going to be here all day.
Yeah. $29.99 for the graphite.
Most of them
this is more solid. This is, again, 2 yards by 60 inches. The Wild Rabbit will be $32.99 when we get back to that. So this is Sold 101, 2 yards Cuddle cut hide graphite. This is a solid color. There's not like that variation in it. And this is, again, 60 inches wide by 2 yards, which is 72 inches. Regular price, $46.99. Today is $29.99.
We're going to do this one. This should be $29.99 too.
All right. Oh, this one's already open for you.
Yeah, $29.99.
So 102 is the hide. This is Galaxy Mallard. So there's a little bit of variation in the color. Not a whole lot, but enough to, you can kind of see it in there. And this is regularly $44.99. Today, $29.99. That's such a pretty color. So get that up nice and close. And that's, again, 60 inches wide by 72 inches is a 2 yard cut. $29.99. You could take these two and these two, put them together, and boom, you got a blanket. All right.
Okay, let's do the next Cuddle. The one you need to show. I mean, we got to find it. 2 Lux Wild Rabbit, right? That's $32.99.
$32.99. This is the Lux Rabbit. We just, the what do I call it? Wild Rabbit Silver is what it is. It is regular price of $52.99.
Katie's in trouble.
$32.99 today. Again, these are getting out of here. So get them while they're hot. They're not going to stick around. We got new stuff coming in. Like, holy moly, we went shopping.
You know what I feel like? You ever watch Extra Extra? So Extra, they have that little thing at the end where they get in and they show these new product announcements and they mark them way down. I didn't even think about that. You know what I mean?
Next time.
Yeah, next time.
We'll be extra. We are a little extra.
Yeah. The black one.
All right. Oh, wow, this is on sale.
It is. It needs a new home. I can't help it.
2 yard Luxe Cuddle Cuts. This is Glacier Black. This is all solid black. This is $56.99 regular price. $36.99 for this. You get 2 yards by 60 inches. You can put it with any one of these other ones and get a beautiful, nice Shannon Cuddle blanket. Heck, you can make 8. What did I say? No, 6 infinity scarves. I mean, you know, the possibilities are endless.
Oh, yeah.
So this is item 104, 2 yards of Luxe Cuddle in the Glacier Black. $36.99. Okay, moving on.
Mystery.
We have a little mystery for you all. So where it's New Year's Eve or alternately called first night, we have a first night mystery for you. So this is item 105 and it's a mystery first night kit. So these kits are made up, and this may be yours and maybe not. Maybe Karina's, who knows? Whoever orders it, we have a whole pile of them. We'll show you a couple of different ones. Comes with the first night pattern. They're a layer cake. They include the binding and pattern. The pattern. So these layer cakes are regularly like $49.99 or $42.99 for just the layer cake. Today, look at that price. $24.99. So this could be the one that you get. So these are all just, this is Danielle. This is P&B this is Daniela. So this is one line and you're going to get that binding in there. All for $24.99. You may get this one. You may get
this one's $55.99.
This
regularly.
One. So this one was
it's $44.
Zachariah. This was a very popular line. And they just been kind of hanging around a little too long. So it's time to go. Comes with, again, the first night pattern. Comes with the binding and a bag even. Look at that. So for $24.99. I mean, come on. You can't get a layer cake for $24.99. And you're getting a pattern and binding fabric.
In a bag.
In a bag.
So, will you explain how to shop on Facebook, please?
Yes. So if you're on Facebook and haven't shopped with us before, you type in the comment section, register, enter. Boom. Now it's going to prompt you. Well, you have to go into your messenger. So you hop out of hop out of us for a minute, and then you go over to your messenger or your Facebook Messenger, and you open that up, and it's going to have a prompt in there to set up your virtual cart. You just follow the prompts on that, and you'll be all set. And you never have to register with us again. If you went to Karina's, midnight live sale tonight, you'll have to register separate for her, but for us, never again. So you want to go ahead and just type register at the bottom, then go ahead over to Messenger and just set up your virtual cart there. And then when you're done adding things to your cart, because all you have to do is just, you want to press sold space 105 to get any one of these beautiful kits. And then when you're done, you go over to Messenger and you're going to check out. So that's clear as mud.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yep.
So again, this is one of these. This layer cake was $44.99. Comes with the binding, and it is now $24.99. So you may get this one. 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 We have a whole bunch of these. So buy them up, get them gone. Okay.
10-inch square.
10-inch square. All right. Now here's a steal and a half.
These are so pretty.
This is Cedar West Basics. Now they've been in a box with other pre-cuts, so they have pre-cut fluff all over them. This is regularly $44, $19.99 today. Look at all these beautiful. These are not batiks. So this is a What are you giggling about over there?
Really, a live sale tonight at midnight? No, no. I will be in bed. I
Karina
already
might be
told you
having
that.
her own thing at
No.
night. I'll be in bed.
No, we're all gonna be in bed. She was.
No.
I don't know. No, Jill. No.
No.
Mm-mm.
I mean,
If
somebody.
you want to stay up and see, we might. You never know.
No, no live
I'm
sale at
good.
midnight.
I mean, look at these. These colors are gorgeous. I'm trying to flip through a little bit, but I mean, you get the idea.
We also have the blue colorway and the multi colorway on the app. Same sale price, but we're not going to show them because we're going.
So
we're
these
going
have
home.
like a jewel tone one. They have like the blue. So this one we're showing is
Red.
the red. It's
Boutique.
bouquet.
Okay, that's it.
Bouquet. Is it bouquet? So it's 10-inch squares, $19.99. There's I think 40. I don't know. They don't tell us. 42 of them in there. So 42. This is Clothworks fabric. So this isn't garbage. So buy it up. Get it gone.
5-inch square.
All right.
No.
Chameleon?
No, it's like, that is like a dimple.
Is it
isn't
dimple?
it? That is dimple, yeah.
Wow, $6.99.
Yeah, $6.99.
Get me some of these. Save me a couple, would you?
Okay.
All right, 107 Cedar West Basics Bouquet in the 5-inch square. Again, same colors as that 10-inch square. And these are $6.99. Regular price is $14.99.
So pretty.
What a steal! So get them gone. All right.
And the 2.5-inch.
All right. Last item. Item 106 is that 2.5-inch strip roll in the bouquet again. Sold 108, $19.99. I mean, you can't. This thing was $46.99. This is more than 50% off. So check it. Oh, I can't read it, but that's
So
okay.
pretty.
But it's beautiful. I mean, you gotta get them.
Even just to put it on the wall.
Yeah, you could buy a bunch and just stack them up, and then put a little 5-inch square behind. Oh, FedEx is here.
Oh, good thing we didn't leave yet. FedEx is here.
There we go.
Go get your coffee thing. Oh, I hope
boy.
he doesn't have a lot of boxes. We're screwed. He can't have that
We'll
much.
just toss them. We can't even because
No.
has class tomorrow.
Yeah. That was all we had to show.
Anyway,
So tell the people on Facebook if they can't figure out how to buy it, go to the website,
or download our app, BNP Quilts.
quilts.com.
Yep, go right.
And you can type in Cedar West, and you will find them all. Okay?
There we go. So yeah, definitely. If you can't shop on the live, either download the app. You can go into the last video this one in about half an hour. Usually it takes it to upload. And then you can go in and shop all, and you can scroll through, or you can go on the website, bnpquilts.com, and you just type in Cedar West, decoupage, mystery, first night mystery. How's that on there?
Mystery first night.
Mystery first night, or hide graphite. Like, you should be able to find all this stuff, and it will be marked with the same price that we're showing you today. So get them before everyone else finds out about it. All right. Well, I hope you all have a happy new year. We got to go unload the FedEx truck.
Yeah.
We'll
Before
see
we go
y'all later.
home.
Bye.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.